In a new world of foldables, the new Motorola Razr Fold is making an impact with a bunch of exciting features, but how does it actually fit into the mix of work and everyday life? This video is sponsored by Motorola, and I have the all-new Motorola Razr Fold in Pantone Lily White, which is an absolutely stunning device, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 and is also paired with 12GB of RAM. This device has 256GB of storage, as well as a 6000 mAh silicon carbon battery, which is extremely impressive for a foldable of this nature. It's also only 4.6mm thin when open and 9.9mm when closed. This camera is extremely impressive, with a DxO Mark awarded camera system sporting a 50MP main, a 50MP ultra-wide, and a 50MP periscope telephoto camera system, as well as a 32MP internal camera on the main display and a 20MP external camera on the front display. This phone is also capable of filming 8K 30 and Full HD 240 frames per second video too, so it's a really great camera system for so many use cases. This is the first Fold that we have seen from Motorola, and with their legacy of the Razr, it's no surprise that this device is pretty impressive. Having a foldable like this gives you so much more power and many more use cases than the average slab phone. You have the ability to use not only the front display, but also the internal main display too, which this one, when open, is 8.1 inches, and it is also a 2K LTPO screen. So it's essentially a really great quality tablet and can be put in your pocket. So you can use split screen mode and run multiple apps at once, which is great for productivity or even entertainment. And given the power of the phone itself, you can essentially have a mini computer experience here, especially with modes like laptop mode or tent mode. The flexibility and fold capability of the phone can really help with certain tasks, like typing out an email or a document, or even capturing photo and video hands-free. Honestly, there are so many ways that you can use the Motorola Razr Fold, and it really is the perfect device to cross entertainment, productivity, and even content creation all in one package. Visually, you've got the two displays. So one is the 6.6-inch POLED external display for that traditional phone use, and then the internal 2K 8.1 display like I mentioned earlier, and it is gorgeous to watch videos and play games on if you wanted to. That screen real estate makes the experience so good. But then comes this camera, and capturing and editing content on a Motorola has never been easier. The camera system has been DxO Mark awarded, which is a pretty big title to take, meaning that you're left with stunning visuals in photos and video format, no matter the mode that you're shooting in. Then pair the phone with the extra Moto Pen accessory, and you have all you need to edit that content with ease, from the moment of raw content to the final product ready for posting. This is also a great tool for those of you who are artists or looking for something a little bit extra for work purposes too. But the best part about this phone, honestly, is the battery life. Through all that you do on a device like this, you've got 6000 mAh to work with, and it is so impressive to see a silicon carbon battery like this in a foldable, because the phone is working a lot harder than most because of its nature. I'm glad Motorola went down this route. I hope this is the norm from now on. Depending on how you use the phone, of course, you can actually push this to a potential 43 hours at a maximum, which is honestly incredible. Is that likely for most users? Probably not, but you have the ability to adjust the settings so you can elongate this battery life as much as possible. Again, it's all up to how you use the phone, but this capacity is great for every single user out there with all their different use cases. All of this makes for a great phone for personal use and for work. And when you're ready to travel, you've got so much power in here in such a small device that you can even pair it with a Bluetooth keyboard if you wanted to, and then you've got yourself a minimal workstation. So light, so compact, ready to throw in your pocket or your backpack. That is another reason why I love foldables. They are just capable of so much more. And I know a lot of you are going to be asking about the crease. It's really surprising because it's very minimal, especially when you're holding it front on. You can see it a little bit, but not as much as what I guess we're used to with foldables. As more companies are releasing foldables like this, the biggest takeaway that I can give you about this phone is that this is built very well. From a stunning external shell that is also IP49 rated means we're looking at one of the best rated foldables to date. And being the first with Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 3, this shows that phones like this can be stylish, powerful, and durable all at the same time. It's deceiving because this is jam-packed full of such great specs and abilities in such a thin and light design. So definitely head in stores and check this out if you can, because it really is a sight to see, especially in this colorway. Foldables have come so far, and as the playing field starts to change a little bit, I think this is a fantastic first entry for Motorola. Be sure to leave a comment after you hit the subscribe button, because I look forward to talking more tech with you in the next video.